Hi guys, it's Andy from Andy Wilcox Electrical. Today I'm going to show you how to reset an RCD on your fuse board. You know what it's like, sometimes you're sat there watching your favourite TV programme, the drums are just about to hit on EastEnders and all the electric will go off and you go back to the fuse board and you can't quite get the RCD to reset properly. There's a little trick to do it and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here I am at the fuse board and hopefully your fuse board has got an RCD in it. If it hasn't, then we need to have a chat because it's really important that you have one. And what an RCD does, it's always looking at the live and neutral in your electrical system. And if it sees any tiny little fault, any fault at all, it will trip out. It's a really fantastic device and it protects you from electric shock and from fire. But it can be a little bit sensitive sometimes, as you've probably found. Say if a light bulb blows, it may trip out and then you've got to walk around with your torch or your candle in your pajamas to try and find the fuse board and turn it back on. And it can be a bit of a pain to turn back on. So I just want to show you a couple of the things that you should do when you're turning it back on. Let's have a look. So the first thing you want to do, some of these RCDs don't trip all the way, so you see this one's gone halfway. So I just want to pull that one all the way back down. Now what I don't want to do is put that back up because there's so much load on these circuits here that it won't let the RCD reset again. So what I want to do is turn all of these down because then there will be no load on the RCD when I turn it back on. I'll turn the RCD back on and now I can turn these on one by one. It's all beeping, so I know it's coming back on. And it hasn't tripped out and it's gone back up, so I know everything's lovely. And then it should stay up. But hey, maybe there is actually a fault on one of your circuits. Now, say that you did that, you turned them all off and you went along one by one. If one of those fuses made the RCD trip, then I know which circuit that the fault is on, and when I call the electrician or I can go around myself and look at the socket to see what's plugged into it, I can isolate the problem, I can pull that out of the wall and unplug it, and then I know that I've sorted out the problem and then I can turn the fuse back up like that. So I hope that video has helped you and you've managed to get that job done okay. But listen, I don't want you to end up like this fellow here, electrocuting yourself, because electrics can be really dangerous and really harmful. So if you're not confident with what I've just shown you, or you need any help on anything electrical at all, just give me a call on the number which is here, which is 01789 228 021, or go to the website where you can request an appointment and I can come around and I can help you and give you a quotation on the work that you need. I hope the video's helped you and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.